What's up, everybody? Today it's an unboxing video. Um, it's your boy Mikey Myers, the human version. Oh my God, I'm fried. Haunted Canal video is uploading. Part 2. It is uploading, so y'all are probably gonna go crazy. Just skip the 2 videos I made today and just go for that video. I totally understand it. Those are your favorites, and your guys' opinions, and I love doing them for you guys. It gives me something to do and work for, that I have a reason for living. It's a whole different ball game. Now, I did tell you I was probably gonna do some kind of camping like survival in the woods challenge. I was gonna probably do that. Oh, tomorrow, that's a perfect day for a Q&A, so be aware for a Q&A tomorrow. I'm gonna mention it again in my smoke and chill session. Just simple. It's but anyways, I'm enough. Quit rambling. Go on to the unboxing. I bought a $30. This is really an everyday type of tool. It's called multi-tool RoverTac folding knife. But it's not just a knife. There's all kinds of other stuff. There's pliers, handle, Phillips screwdriver bit adapter, bottle opener, can opener, slaughter, screwdriver, safety lock, wire cutter, regular plier, long nose pliers, serrated knife, and sharp knife. Bit sleeve and batch screwdriver. So that's everything it comes with. I don't know if y'all can see, but lifetime warranty. Hey, this ain't no sponsor. I have no sponsors at all. Trust me. It's can't even get it open. There it is. So, it's more of a multi-tool. It says great for camping, hunting, hiking, fishing, outdoors, and survival. This is where my finger's at. So there's the lifetime warranty. So, fucking these gel packs. What the fuck are these? I gotta make a rage. Tomorrow. Bangers tomorrow, man. Come on, man. Stop playing with me, man. Bro, I am sick of seeing these, man. These look like little fucking baggy testicles. What? The fuck? Alright. What is this, instructions? I think so. Fuck, come on, you piece of shit. Come on. Who would need, unless they'd sell it to kids, but the fuck? Oh yeah, take your testy thing too. The fuck? Dumb shit. So it comes with a RoverTac case. Easily goes, it can go on your belt. I don't know if it can go on my belt that I have on now, but I want to get a tactical belt anyway that can hold like knives and like maybe your pistol if you're out shooting. Oh wow! So it comes with all these little screws. Phillips, flathead. I don't know, the instructions fucking said it. I forget what one of the other ones are called, but the case, badass case. This is it. This is heavy too, y'all. This isn't some like $12, $10 Dollar General. Dollar General even sell knives, but you know them cheap ass knives for like $12 you can buy that break instantly. No, this is it's like it looked like army green on the Amazon. It looked like more of a green. This is like more of a yellow. Like looks like more of a gold. Totally. So here's the knife. I'm not trying to cut myself, don't worry. I'm just seeing how sharp. It's sharp. Totally sharp. So whatever. So it's got that shit, the knife. Try not to fucking cut myself. I think that's all for that side. This side. There's the screwdriver. Let's see. Yeah. Here's the other shit. Handling a knife when you're high. Wow. Just wow. Where the fuck is the lock at? I've never owned, like, nothing this nice before. Like, knife-wise. What the fuck? But yeah, that's the knife, y'all. Best part, you know, of course, the knife. But yeah, crazy ass shit, man. The fuck? Oh well, but that's it. That's the knife. Oh my god. Okay, so some of these go this way. Bro, what the fuck? This thing will not. The fuck? And it's locked. Or something, but I have to figure this out off camera. Okay, maybe I do need the instructions. I'm a dumbass. Oh man, don't do what I do, y'all. Like I said, I'm not the smartest cookie. Period pad? No, thank you. Oh, there goes the wrapper. Okay. So it's not as easy as you think it is. Like, if you've never owned something that's nice. Allen wrench, slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, yeah. Bit adapter socket fits on Phillips screwdriver, okay. So it's an M3, M4, M5, S, M, L, P1, P2, P3 for... Okay. Safety lock. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, there you go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Got a lock on it. Alright. Did it, y'all. Gosh. I know, right? I feel like a 2-year-old. But I did it. That's all that matters. Nice ass knife. Oh, that's how they flip it like that. See, I always thought it was a fucking flip knife. Okay. Fuck you. Give me the motherfucking money. Oh, I'm dumb as fuck, man. But sorry for the long unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more. Peace out.